Hello everyone, welcome to Easy UPSC. I'm Amitesh here. So in this video, we are going to discuss about a very important topic. That means how I used elimination method in solving almost 20 plus correct questions in civil services examination this year. So I'll be discussing about that. So let's get started. So this is the first question. It's with reference to India's biodiversity, Ceylon frogmoth, coppersmith barbet, grey-chinned minivet. I heard about this word on Discovery Channel, and the picture of was bird. So I eliminated all three options and make it correct, and it was a correct answer. Now jump on. Now let's jump on to the other question. This is the which of the following protected areas are located in Kaveri Basin? So first one is Nagarhole, Papikonda, Satyamangalam and Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary. Now मुझे ये पता था कि दिस पापीकोंडा नेशनल पार्क बिलोंग्स टू आंध्र प्रदेश. सो ये तो नहीं होगा. सो आई फर्स्टली एलिमिनेटेड दिस ऑप्शन. देन मेरे पास तीन ऑप्शंस बचे, पहला, तीसरा और चौथा. जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने मैप भी बनाया है, दिस इज पापीकोंडा. नाउ जैसे कि कावेरी नदी यहाँ से बहती है और ये तीनों एक ही पास में है, सो I opted for option C and it was a correct answer also. So I eliminated Papikonda, option 2 and this got eliminated. Now third question is steel slag can be material for which of the following? मुझे ये पता था कि स्टील स्लैग का एग्रीकल्चरल सॉइल के इम्प्रूवमेंट में कोई यूज नहीं होता. सो दिस ऑप्शन गेट एलिमिनेटेड और इसके कारण ये तीनों ऑप्शंस एलिमिनेट हो जाते हैं और सी ऑप्शन सही होता है. Now another question is in rural road construction the use of which of the following is preferred for ensuring environmental sustainability or to reduce carbon footprint? Okay. Now Portland cement और hot mix asphalt टेक्नोलॉजी तो नहीं होगा, ये सबको पता है. नाउ यहाँ ऑप्शन बचता है 1 2 3 का, तो जब चौथा और पांचवा एलिमिनेट हो गए तो ये तीनों ऑप्शन एलिमिनेट हो जाते. बट मैंने इस क्वेश्चन को दूसरे तरह किया था. यहाँ मुझे जियो टेक्सटाइल के बारे में पता था कि मैंने एक पढ़ा था, करंट अफेयर्स में था ये टेरापॉलिन. आई थिंक इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग द मटेरियल इज टेरापॉलिन विच इज रिफ्लेक्टिव टू सनलाइट. So I heard about this and I also knowing that this used in rural road construction. So इस तरह से मैंने इसको सॉल्व किया था. Now 11th question, 11th question. So this is public investment in agriculture. So public investment means what? जिससे further production हो सके. बट आप देखेंगे कि फिक्सिंग मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइस इट्स सब्सिडी, it's not a public investment. Similarly, free electricity is also subsidy and this waiver of agricultural loan is also subsidy. So पहला चौथा और पांचवा ऑप्शन तो वैसे एलिमिनेट हो गया. फर्स्ट, फोर्थ एंड फिफ्थ ऑप्शन गेट एलिमिनेटेड. सो माय आंसर विल बी सी बिकॉज यहाँ भी चौथा पांचवा है, इधर भी पांचवा है एंड इधर भी पांचवा है. सो आई एलिमिनेटेड दीज थ्री एंड सी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. Similarly, this question, yeah, this is very unique question for me because my father is a bank employee. So I heard about him through him, I heard through him that in KCC, Kisan Credit Card, construction of family house can't happen. So first I eliminated this option fifth, and when I eliminated fifth, these all get eliminated, and my option B was correct, and this answer was correct also. Now this question, this is very important question. Here you can see how extreme words make question incorrect. Extreme words like this: unlimited and never. In the case of all cereal, pulses and oilseed, the procurement at minimum support price is unlimited in any state or UT in India. This is extreme word, it make it incorrect. Similarly, in the case of cereals and pulses, the MSP is fixed in any state UT at a level to which the market price will never rise. This is also extreme word. So I eliminated all three options and D was correct. Now jump on to another question. This, with reference to the pulse production in India, I directly get into the option 2 Green gram alone account for nearly half of pulse production. This is a very extreme statements, and it get incorrect. It get eliminated. Or when I eliminated the option second, A was obviously correct. So this answer was also correct. Similarly, solar water pumps, not, not, not for. These were two extreme words. Not extreme, but not in sync. Like if you read the whole statement, solar power can be used for running surface pumps and not for submersible pumps. How? How is it? It's not possible. And solar pump can be used for running centrifugal pumps and not the ones with piston. Both are incorrect. This not word make it incorrect, so answer D was correct. I eliminated all three. No. Another question is uh, yeah, this one. With reference to international trade of India at present, which of the following statement is correct? Now यहाँ देखिए आप, India's imports of iron and steel, chemicals, fertilizers and machinery have decreased recent years. This is a extreme word. This is a contradictory word because जैसे जैसे consumption increase होगा, population increase होगी, energy consumption obviously increase होगा, और उसके वजह से iron and steel, fertilizers, chemicals are going to increase. Sorry. So this option get eliminated, option 2, and by that 1 and 2 get eliminated, and for that the option A, 3 and 4 gets correct. And made it, you can see here I made 50-50 mark because when I not sure for any question, or I can say I confused in two words, two statements, I generally make a mark of 50-50, and in the revision process when I revise the paper again, I solve these questions because these questions sometimes get correct, get incorrect, but maximum time it helped me a lot. Now this question, in terms of short term credit delivery to agricultural sector, district central cooperative banks deliver more credit in comparison to scheduled commercial bank and regional rural bank. This statement was incorrect because how a cooperative bank can lend more money than a regional rural bank or a commercial bank? Obviously obviously बात थी. So I eliminated this option A, and my option 2 was correct. Now this question, I never heard about it. To be honest, I never heard about fertigation in my whole preparation. But I only saw this word all. This is an extreme statement. All other phosphatic fertilizers. This is not possible. And I eliminated this, and my option C was correct. And of course, this question was correct for me. Now this question, in India under cyber insurance for individuals, which of the following benefits are generally covered in addition to payment for the loss of funds and other benefits? Cyber insurance की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे. So cost of a new computer if some miscreant will fully damage it if proved so. This statement was a very vague statement, or you can say incorrect statement. So option 2 get eliminated. So this all three get eliminated, and option B is correct. Now in this question, with reference to India's desert national park, this belongs to Rajasthan for Great Indian Bustard. I know about it. So Rajasthan. Now here there is no human habitation inside the park. It's not possible. Like India is, it's so populous country. I mean we have 131 billion people. Sorry, 1.31 billion people. And how can some area belong without a man? Like, so option 2 was incorrect, and by that option 1 and 3 gets correct. I eliminated this these three options. Now this jet stream occur in northern hemisphere only. This word is extreme one, so it get eliminated first. Then comes the temperature inside the eye of a cyclone is nearly 10 degrees Celsius less than that of surrounding. This is not possible because it's a low temperature, low pressure, you can say low pressure zone. Eye is always a low pressure zone in in northern hemisphere, low pressure zone. So it can't be possible that the temperature of eye is lower than outer areas, because in outer, or you can say the in surrounding areas, it's raining, so obviously the temperature of those areas will be less than the eye, because eye in tropical cyclone is a calm area with low pressure. So I eliminated this by this option and by this, and my answer was correct. Now this, among the following tiger reserve, which one has the largest area under critical tiger habitat? So Nagarjun Sagar Sri Salam, I visited there recently, because there is a temple of महादेव, लाइक वहाँ पे महादेव की 12 ज्योतिर्लिंगों में से एक टेम्पल है. आई विजिटेड देयर रिसेंटली, बट नाउ इट्स डिवाइडेड. व्हेन आंध्र प्रदेश और तेलंगाना डिवाइड हुए थे, देन इट डिवाइडेड एंड इट बिकम्स नागार्जुन सागर श्रीशैलम and Amrabad Tiger Reserve. Amrabad Tiger Reserve. Amrabad belongs to Telangana and this belongs to Andhra Pradesh. But this is Asia's biggest tiger reserve, as we know. So obviously the critical tiger habitat, the largest area will obviously to belong to this Nagarjun Sagar Sri Salam. So I made it correct, and this was a correct answer for me. Now this, in this whole question, I only knew about this. Satvira belongs to Hinayan. Mahayan, no Mahayan, it belongs to Hinayan. I knew about it, and then I eliminated, and I got that option 2 and option 3 is correct, because option 1 and option D got eliminated, and this is a 50-50 question. So somehow maybe you can say कि तुक्का लगाया या फिर whatever I did, but option B was correct and I made it. This Vittal Vidhayak, Vittal Vidwansak, the first monthly journal to have the untouchable people as its targets audience was published. So देखिए यहाँ untouchable की बात हो रही है. So सभी ने इनके लिए काम किया था, but I knew that these two people like Mahatma Gandhi and Bhimrao Ambedkar never published this kind of journal. Now it remains Gopal Baba Walankar and Jyotiba Phule. So I eliminated Jyotiba Phule because he and his wife worked for untouchables, but main focus was in Maharashtra, and they were more focused on girls' education also, and for untouchable education, revival movement for them. So I opted for Gopal Baba Walankar, and it was a correct answer. So I eliminated the 3 options, and option E was correct. Now this question, this is a very vague statement. Permanent, 5 years is permanent disqualified. No, this is not true. So I eliminated this, and option A was correct. This is question related to Representation of People's Act 1951, in which person convicted for a criminal offence and sentenced to imprisonment for 5 years is permanently disqualified. No, this is a very extreme, or you can say vague statement. Now let's jump on to other question. Now this question in pneumococcal conjugate vaccine, no side effect. I hold this word that this is not possible that any vaccine have no side effects and cause no allergic reaction. This is extreme word. So I eliminated 3rd option, and this both get eliminated. Now dependence on antibiotics that are not effective against can be reduced. So these 2 options were correct. Option B I made it correct, because these 2 are very general statement. You can know about reading on it also. So this is a 50-50 statement, as I told you. Now other question is this. If another global financial crisis happens in the near future, which of the following actions policies are most likely to give some immunity to Indians? So global financial crisis, we are talking about global financial crisis. So how is it possible in global financial crisis opening up more foreign banks will help? They will deteriorate this condition. So I eliminated this, and when I eliminated 2, the option B and option D got eliminated. Now maintaining full capital convertibility. If we have if we have the facility of full capital account convertibility, so in the case of global financial crisis, companies will opt to go to some other places where the economy is not that much exacerbated or deteriorated. So in the case of full capital account convertibility, they can easily exchange their money into dollar or in rupees. So this option was incorrect also. So I opted for A and it was a correct answer. Now this question, 100 question, blockchain technology. Here it's also only, this is extreme word. And I eliminated two, second option, and both got eliminated. Now it's a 50-50 question because I earlier eliminated both. Now I have option A or option D, but it is a public ledger. I knew about it. It's a public ledger that everyone can inspect, but which no single user can control. If it's a public ledger, so no single user obviously can't control. So I eliminated A also, and I got my right answer D. So this is the whole paper in which I adopted elimination method and solved multiple questions, almost 22 or 23 questions very correctly. So I just want to conduct this to you guys because it helped me a lot. So I hope ये आपके लिए भी काफ़ी helpful होगा आपके examinations में. So thank you so much for listening me or being with me. Have a good day, and please make sure to subscribe this channel because I am working hard for this, and I want to give you the messages, different kind of tricks and important basic concept which helped me, or you can say which bothered me in my earlier preparation, but over the time मैंने इसे solve किया, मैंने उन्हें जाना, उनके बारे में पढ़ा, and now I am able to give you this knowledge, or you can say this concept also. Thank you so much for listening. Have a good day.